Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. This video reflects my personal experience with the platform. In this video, we're taking a look at Twino, a peer-to-peer lending platform accessible at https://www.twino.eu. Peer-to-peer lending, or P2P lending, connects borrowers directly with individual investors, cutting out traditional financial institutions. This can lead to better interest rates for both parties involved. Twino facilitates these connections, providing a platform for investors to browse loan opportunities and potentially earn returns. Their website, located at https://www.twino.eu, offers further details on how the platform operates, along with information about their investment products and services. Before committing any funds, it's essential to conduct thorough research and due diligence to fully understand the risks and potential rewards associated with P2P lending. Twino, like any investment platform, carries its own set of risks, and it's crucial to carefully consider these factors before making any investment decisions. Remember, past performance is not indicative of future results. The information presented in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Always consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. Exploring different investment strategies is important, and platforms like Twino offer an alternative avenue for potential growth. It's recommended to thoroughly examine all available information on their website at https://www.twino.eu before making any decisions. Diversification is key in any investment portfolio, and P2P lending can play a role in a diversified strategy. However, it's important to remember that P2P lending, like any investment, carries inherent risks. Make sure you're comfortable with the potential for loss before investing any capital. For more details and information on how Twino operates, be sure to visit their website at https://www.twino.eu.